Now that you've been introduced to the 5 pillars of social media marketing, we'll review the different types of digital media and how each of these can fit into your social media campaigns. Previously, you learned about the 3 types of digital media: earned, owned, and paid. Implementing all 3 of these media types into your social media campaign can help build brand awareness, vary the way your audience engages with your brand, and increase sales. Let's review what you've learned so far about each of these types of media and explore how to incorporate earned, owned, and paid media into your social media strategies. Let's start with earned media. Earned media is the personal or public promotion of a brand or product. Earned media is marketing generated by your customers. Whenever a customer tells a friend, posts on a social media platform or blog, or writes a review about your product, they are producing earned media for your brand. Social media is one of the most powerful marketing channels for generating earned media. Sources of earned social media include customer reviews and testimonials, mentions and comments on social media platforms, shares, retweets, and likes of your posts, content about your business on third-party sites, blog posts about your businesses, and user-generated content related to your business. User-generated content, or UGC, is any content created by people rather than brands. User-generated content can include text, videos, images, reviews, and so on. For example, imagine you are running a social media campaign for a company that sells socks. If customers post pictures of themselves wearing your company's socks on social media, this is user-generated content and an example of earned media. One of the many advantages of earned media is that it's organic. Organic social media is any social media activity that does not require a paid promotion. Organic social media will form the foundation of your social media strategy. Let's move on to owned media. Owned media is all the digital content a brand fully controls. Websites are one of the most common forms of owned media. Sources of the owned social media include blog sites, social media profiles like your brand's Facebook or Instagram profile, and community forums. One of the greatest benefits of owned media is that it allows your company to control the conversation surrounding your brand on social media. When your brand owns the media property, it decides what type of content to publish, how often to publish it, and how users can interact with it. Owned media also allows you to market specific products or services on social media. Consistently publishing compelling owned media can also generate more earned media. And finally, there's paid media. Paid media is any form of digital promotion a brand pays to put online. Remember that the 5th pillar of social media marketing is the paid social media. Examples of paid social media include image ads, video ads, story ads, and influencer marketing. Paid social media allows your brand to reach customers who are not actively searching for it. It can be used to target specific groups of people who might be interested in your product and services. Paid social media can also help promote your content in order to drive more earned media and direct traffic to your owned media properties. Earned, owned, and paid social media will all be important components of your social media marketing campaigns. When strategically implemented together, they can improve brand awareness, generate leads, and increase sales. You'll learn more about how to incorporate these media types into your social media campaigns throughout this course.